lo que necesitamos. Ajá. No está duro, pero no está duro. ¿Qué pasó?
It's okay. It's just a spider.
Es una...
Oh, there it is. Let's go down.
¿Esta tierra crees que te la acomodes? Sí, nomás la dejando ahí. Nomás la pido.
We're at the rescue house this morning, and we've got our plumbers in here correcting this shower drain that was so messed up. We're going pretty deep because I have to put a new foundation in under the shower where the old one was removed, and there was no support left. You can see where everything was cut loose and just really done improperly. So we're going to come in and fix all that. We're going to put a new drain in. They had originally the drain, a double slot drain on each side of the shower, but I met with the homeowner and we're going to change it over to a center drain, which it should have been from the beginning. It looks like we got lucky and our plumbing goes deep enough under the foundation where we can tie it in the way we want to. So that's a good thing. We're having to remove a bunch more dirt and old foundation and stuff to get it out of our way.
¿Cómo? Traete un shower drain. Unos 45 de 2. Ok. Traete una Y. Digo una cross. Una cross. Una cross y... Todo está en el bote, ¿no?